In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Temu app, and we'll walk through it in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a first-time shopper or just need a refresher, by the end, you'll be navigating Temu like a pro. Let's get started. First things first, to begin using the Temu app, you'll need to download it. For Android users, head over to the Google Play Store, and if you're using an iPhone, pop over to the Apple App Store. Once you have it installed, go ahead and open the app. Once the app is open, you'll notice a user icon located at the bottom of your screen. Give it a tap. This is where you'll sign up or sign in to your account. You have a few options here. You can use your email to create an account, or if you prefer, you can sign in through Google, Facebook, or Apple. If you're more comfortable with a phone number, that's another option available to you. Now, let's focus on the home screen. Here you will see 4 main icons: Home, Categories, Your Account, and Cart. These are going to be your go-to tools for navigating through the app. If you're in the mood to explore, browsing through the categories is a great way to discover new products. Alternatively, if you have something specific in mind, you can also use the search bar at the top. A neat feature is the camera icon within the search bar, which allows you to scan items and find similar products. It's a handy tool if you've seen something you like out in the real world and want to find it online. To make a purchase, simply tap on the product that catches your eye. You'll be directed to the products page where you can learn more details. And if you decide to buy it, just tap Add to Cart. However, do keep in mind that Temu requires a minimum cart value, typically around $10 or its equivalent, before you can proceed to checkout. So it's a great idea to add a couple of items to ensure you meet that requirement. When you're ready to make a purchase, as soon as your cart meets that minimum value, tap on the cart icon at the bottom of your screen. Review all the items you wish to buy, and then press the checkout button. At this stage, you'll choose a payment method that suits you best, whether it's a credit card, a digital wallet, or another option. Once you've submitted your order, you can easily track the shipping status and progress within the app. A quick note to keep in mind is that many items may ship from China, so delivery might take a few weeks. However, the app often offers free or discounted shipping options, which is a bonus. And there you have it. You are now ready to shop confidently on the Temu app. Happy shopping and enjoy finding great deals and unique items.